I would like to bring it to the notice of one and all over here that anything in criminal law, if you try to propagate or propound before my learned brother, it is like holding a torch to a shining sun. That being his capacity is recognized throughout the country, not only in Bangalore, in every nook and corner of the nation as such, and he has represented
bring home the guilt by adducing clear, cogent, consistent, acceptable evidence which does not create even a semblance of a doubt.
Good afternoon. This is the third CMR National Cross-Examination competition which was conducted yesterday and today. For this, all over India, we have around 16 teams which are shortlisted to participate. The teams which has been selected from region-wise, they are competing for the winner's position. Now the finals are going on, which has been judged by Sri C.V. Nagesh and Sri Ravi B. Nayak. They both are judging the finals. It's going to finish within 5 minutes. This type of competition is the first time we started doing. CMR Law School is the one who founded this type of competition apart from the traditional moot court competitions. It is a biennial competition, and 1 year we do national level moot court competition, the other year we do cross-examination, and sometimes we do have national level or international level seminars. Most probably we conduct on women-oriented issues. We take up all sensitive issues of women, and that the debate of the students, their suggestions and their views are taken to consider what is to be done for women's safety in India. Thus, our college is this college has been started in the year 2003 and it's 12th year, and this year we won, and every year we are winning a lot of competitions including the national level competitions. This year itself we won 2 national level and we have been runners in 2 national level moot court competitions, and lot of debates, national level debates, we won lot of prizes, and also in sports we won lot of university winners positions, and we've been conducting regularly the seminars. Maybe every week Saturday we have a seminar every week we're going to call one legal luminaries or somebody who's very good in corporate. We call them and they share their views and they give their suggestions to the students. It is happening on a regular basis, and even the coaching for the moot courts happens on a regular basis here. It has become the part and parcel of our curriculum. Training the moot courts, training for the cross-examination. Cross-examination, the reason for doing it is because people nowadays, students are losing interest in traditional practice. Litigation is losing its importance. That's the reason we are bringing in, again we are inculcating or rekindling their interest in litigation. Otherwise, colleges are more happy in doing a corporate job like MBAs. But our motto in the CMR Law School is that attract them to practice in courts. So that's for that reason we conduct this type of competitions to put them interest again, to bring back the interest in them to conduct this type of competitions, and we actually actively give their thought about practicing in courts. For these reasons we are conducting this type of competitions.
Paul Ambrose in the 4th year studying in CMR Law School. Cross-examination competition is something special. I am proud to say that my college is the only institution in our country to conduct this cross-examination competition. What is cross-examination? Cross-examination is the core of a trial. That is where the judges sit and see how witnesses are being confronted and posed with questions. Once these questions are posed, the answers that are got is what is going to be built up in the case, and that goes into the appellate stage. But we don't deal with the appellate stage, we only deal with the case building, which is called the trial procedure. Trial procedure in short is called cross-examination competition. Cross-examination is witnessed and presided over by many leading advocates, as in this competition of 2015.
Varya, studying in the 4th year, CMR Law School, Bangalore. This is CMR's 3rd national cross-examination competition hosted, and what we can learn from this particular competition is that it helps a lot of people, especially when they divert off into litigation, and from there it enlightens us a lot about the procedure and everything. This particular problem is based on dowry death, and the arguments are more towards women empowerment and the status of women currently in the country.
I'm Vandana Kantraj, studying in the 4th year CMR Law School, and this is a very apt topic for today's day and age, because women's rights and their empowerment and crimes against women and violence is so talked about today, and this competition gives insight into how this can be tackled, and also how in the trial stage as to how this is being tackled as well. And we also think that more such competition should happen, because such a competition is a need of the hour, and this would also throw light, as also from a student's perspective who are part of the legal fraternity, as to the sensitization of women's rights, their empowerments and the injustice done to them. Thank you.
I'm Shamli Rajkumar from CMR Law School, Bangalore. Every woman deserves the same respect as a man, and in every walks of life we can see that domestic violence, acid attacks, rape and other things constantly pose a continuing threat on the peaceful existence of women. So as the architects of the future country, India, we at CMR Law School take initiatives to make sure that it is the responsibility of every person to feel that we have to celebrate the beauty of every soul without making any discriminations.
It's a privilege and honor for us to host the national level cross-examination competition. I'm also happy that CMR is the first law college in the country to start the cross-examination competition, with eminent lawyers like Sri Nagesh and Mr. Nayak, being the judges. The students from all over the country who have participated have represented in full strength, and they have argued the cases so well. And it is all the students of the law college attended, and the lessons they have learned from this competition cannot be taught in the classroom or even in the open court. So much of experience they have got, and we are very happy that the participation number is increasing every year, and a lot of prominent law schools from around the country are participating, and this national level cross-examination competition, which gives students that unique strength to understand the importance of cross-examination in getting a case convicted or acquitted. It is seen by the students, understood by the students, and they have learnt a lot through these competitions. I'm sure in the coming years it's going to be much more interesting and important. Thank you.
The Honorable Union Minister for Law and Justice, Shri D.V. Sadananda Gowda, was scheduled to join us in celebrating this joyous occasion. However, his departure from the UN Congress on Crime Prevention at Doha was delayed due to unavoidable circumstances. Apart from his professional achievements, he also involved in diverse fields like religion, culture, education, social service and philanthropy. He has mentored innumerable advocates, many of whom have become successful lawyers, law officers, judges, bureaucrats and administrators.
Well, today is an auspicious day. Ambedkar Jayanti, an architect of the Constitution. And on this day, a moot court was held, and it was a pleasure for us to participate in the moot court as such. I am sure, as far as I am concerned, I have not worked so hard, right from 10 o'clock up to 1:30. That is what my friend C.V. Nagesh was also saying. Well, it was a tedious job, but it was a pleasurable job. Packets are very attractive, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. Companies stand in a queue and say that, well, you are talented, why don't you join my company? And these packets remain the same throughout, I tell you, with an increase of hardly 5 to 10% during your career of life. Whereas, if you choose to practice, take up litigation, there lies the real pleasure I am telling you. There is a job satisfaction over there. You may not get initially 50,000, 20,000, but once you make a mark, you can engage 8 to 10 and pay them more than 50, 60,000.
Very difficult for us to restrict the numbers because we wanted to have the competition confined to 2 days or at the maximum 3 days. But when you have all the competitors accommodated, it can be a competition for 1 week. We had to shortlist and select the institutions to participate in this competition. You mentioned to me that most of the activities pertaining to the competitions have been taken care by the students. That was a very soothing news, soothing word that you spoke. And it's you people who can definitely organize such events. Not only you will learn from the events, but also you will have an opportunity to exhibit your leadership qualities. I congratulate all the student volunteers who have taken such a stage to see that this competition is a grand success.
We have Varsha Menon and Sri Saravardis from KA Bangalore. Bangalore. That's Bangalore Institute of Digital Science, Bangalore. R. Kaman and Dr. Mohan Mishra from KA Bangalore. Thank you, sir. College of Law, Bangalore. Priyam Vada J and Apurva CM from